Friggin' nice, boys. Got some friggin' company coming later, so I'm not sure how much of a movie I'll be able to, the hell's in my eye, to make today. But yeah, we'll friggin' run over a bunch of these cones here. And then when we get through that chicane, we'll friggin' stop the stoplight. But we're going to see that that old dude with all the stuff that just hoards and hoards and hoards of shit, and pick up his other car and see what exactly his plans are. So gotta just go get that car today, see what this guy's up to. Not sure what else we'll get into, but yeah, whatever we do, we'll make a movie about it. I almost ripped the guy off at the gas station for 50 bucks. It's getting, or 50 cents. I got 136.50, and that got me 730 kilometers. Come on, Dick. Gurgle Brigade. Hey, got the Gurgle Brigade on. Those sons of bitches. Gurgle Brigade distracted me. Can't even remember what I was talking about. But we'll pick this dick up, see what he's saying.
I thought it was colder out than it is.
Yeah.
It's either the torque converter bushing, or because the torque converter goes into the pump, right? You know all that. I'd like to be there when you're talking, because I'd straighten right out. And who are you, Mr. Andrew? Well, I have a fucking mechanic's license, and I'm a transmission certified mechanic.
You're a fucking transmission enthusiast, eh? It's either the pump seal bearing or the bush and flange fucking output shaft.
See the seal? So your torque converter goes through the seal, right?
Yeah.
So the neck on the torque converter rides on a bushing. The end of the torque converter goes into your pump that pumps your hydraulic fluid through your training.
At best.
You know that.
Yeah, it's probably, it can't be the seal though, because it doesn't leak all the time, right? It only leaks when I first start it. So it's probably something draining back down into the cigarette.
It's probably a front pump.
Yeah, it's probably just a bunch of bullshit fucking parts, and the guy's a fucking goof. And he's hoping it would last a year and not have to worry about it, but now you're trapped.
Thanks, buddy. Okay, easy.
I don't want to be fucking throwing you around. We did it. Oh, we're real boys. We are a couple of real boys. Robin? Yeah, I guess I better, eh? Hurry down, man. Thank you.
Did you notice if I had mitts on?
I didn't notice. There's no noticing.
You noticing? I'm just glad it's out of there.
Oh, you're a canoe enthusiast. That's quite the canoe trailer.
I put diamond plate on the top. I just put new rims, new tires on it, because it sat for so long that brand new tires on it crack, weather beat. But I did put diamond plate on it and put a longer tongue on it.
Yeah.
But I thought maybe better to have it tilt.
Like a dump?
Yeah. So like power wheelchair or ATV.
Just fucking drive right up onto it, eh?
Yeah.
That is a splendid place to put chunks of engine. Don't put them in the back seat on the floor. Put them right on the fucking leather seats, eh? Wow, that guy's cool. That was good of him to put the big chunks of engine and shit on the seat, eh?
I didn't care.
Oh, I can tell.
My car, it was in really good shape until he got the plow at it.
He just fucking started ramming it with the plow?
Well, that's how he moved it. That's why all the tires came right off the rims.
Oh, that's good of him.
And the back quarter all smashed in. He didn't give a fuck.
Nope. Oh, the Playboy fucking in the vault by the bed. Ooh.
Collector's items. I
apologize.
I need a marketer.
Company should be here in a minute. I had to get a sandwich into myself. Something terrible. Well, I was coming here to get the air pig buddy's friggin' tires flat, so friggin' pumped up his tire for him. But yeah, hubby's on their way to the vet. I guess they're at the vet right now, just waiting to see the doctor, see what's up. But yeah, she's acting all dicked and not doing good. So hopefully she's all right. Tip word friggin' took her to the emergency in London there. So yeah, I'm just waiting to hear. But anyways, when I do hear, I'll let you know, I suppose. But yeah, just me and Gertie, and the wishies. She might have like a bladder infection or some sort of situation going on. She's just leaving little peas on the floor and panting and carrying on. Her ears are hot, so yeah, no good. Well, I guess it's either stones, tumors, or infection. She's off to getting x-rays right now, so. Oh my goodness. So it turns out she's got stones and needs surgery. So they're draining her bladder and giving her some pain meds, sending her home, and then we're going to bring her to the regular vet in the morning or whatever tomorrow, and she's got to have surgery to get the stones out. Poor baby. Little tongue sticking out a little bit. Go for surgery tomorrow. Can't even piss or nothing. Poor baby, your ears all deckered. Poor babies. Just hallucinating. Come on, lay down. Lay down your bed. Oh, well, anyways, boys, it was just absolute later sprig, and I gotta go to bed. So, we'll see you in the moral words. But, really appreciatory of the Patreons, really appreciatory of the dicks that are buying the craps off the onepuglife.coms. Best suspected, decent peenie, but anyways, boys, better get up early and give Abby her medicine at like 2:30, and then friggin' back to the vet for tomorrow morning at 9. So, any words? Let me know what you think. Finger fudge the like button. If you missed them, couple bitches from here in the week. But anyways, there you go, another dick moment. I'm back until tomorrow.
Don't the waters get you?